on guys, MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail video, and today's one is a nice, quick, simple, easy one, which is just basically Smirnoff Ice Slush. We've learned from last time, do not pour in.
How much ice?
It's about 15 ice cubes of pouring. You can see it fills up to about here, which is about 300 ml. About 15 ice cubes of pouring. So we'll put in a little, say that's enough. If it needs more, we'll just blend it again.
Less is more.
Less is more. Put your lid on. Put your head on. And let's blend right into it.
More needed.
There you go, Smirnoff. There you go, a Smirnoff Ice Slush. Let's put a straw in. How does it taste? That's quick, easy and refreshing. And what more to say to that? Smirnoff Ice on nuts. Smirnoff Ice with more ice, which makes it slushy. Ah, delicious. Well, that is a Smirnoff Ice Slush. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid for more cocktails like this. And we'll see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers.